Ever felt like you're falling behind financially, even while following every money tip online? Or you followed trending money hack online only to feel more broke, confused, and stressed a month later? Here's the truth. The internet is full of viral lies about money. Have you watched a video claiming passive income is just about automation? Behind every viral quote, there might be a trap. Today, we're exposing 8 viral money lies that could be draining your bank account and peace of mind, debunking myths, and guide you to genuine financial freedom. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Line number 1. You only live once, so spend it all. While it might seem liberating to live for instant gratification, the aftermath can be crippling. Financially, emotionally, and socially, this mindset can lead to mountains of debt, shattered dreams, and strained relationships. Many online narratives glorify the idea of living in the moment, spending everything you have, and embracing the philosophy of you only live once, YOLO. Embrace moderation and delayed gratification. While it's important to enjoy life, sustainable happiness comes from a well-rounded approach that balances present enjoyment with future security. As Warren Buffett wisely said, the chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. By prioritizing financial prudence today, you pave the way for lasting prosperity tomorrow. But what if someone told you to quit your job now and become your own boss? Lie number 2 is one of the most dangerous illusions out there. Number 2, quit your job today and be your own boss. Mira left her stable job after watching a viral reel that said, "You'll never be rich working 9 to 5. She launched a startup. With zero experience, no emergency fund, and high expectations. Within 6 months, she was $18,000 in debt. Entrepreneurship is romanticized. But the truth? 45% of small businesses fail in the first 5 years. Mistake people make is they leap before they learn. They assume freedom comes immediately after quitting. Use your job as capital to fund your dreams, build skills, create a side hustle, test your idea. Transition, don't escape. Ask yourself, is my business idea solving a real problem or just fueling my ego? Your job isn't the enemy. It can be your investor. Number 3, budgeting is restrictive. Ever heard someone say, budgeting is boring, it kills the fun? That's one of the biggest money lies spreading across the internet like wildfire. Here's the twist. Budgeting doesn't restrict your life, it rescues it. The real problem? People confuse financial awareness with financial punishment. They think if they start budgeting, they'll have to give up their daily coffee, stop dining out, or cancel every plan. But budgeting isn't about saying no. It's about deciding where your yes really matters. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% for savings. Number 4, renting is throwing money away. People blindly jump into homeownership because they believe it's the only path to wealth. But if your job requires relocation, or your income isn't stable, or you're not ready for the massive upfront and hidden costs of owning, buying a house can destroy your financial momentum. Take Priya and Amit, a young couple from New Jersey. Instead of buying early, they chose to rent and invest the difference in mutual funds and index ETFs. In 6 years, their portfolio grew to $85,000, more than the equity many of their homeowner friends had built, minus the stress of roof leaks and property taxes. Want freedom? Renting gives you the power to move, upgrade, or downsize without being tied down. Renting isn't throwing money away, it's paying for options. Buying is like planting a tree, you're rooted. Renting is like driving a car, you can pivot anytime. Just make sure you're not renting and spending the rest wastefully. Invest smartly, grow wealth faster, and own later when it truly makes sense, not because the internet told you to. Number 5, debt is bad. You've heard the warnings, stay away from debt, it's evil. But let's bust this money myth wide open. Not all debt is bad. Some of it can actually build wealth. The problem isn't debt, it's dumb debt. Swiping your credit card for Gucci belts or maxing out loans for a lavish wedding. That's financial suicide. But using debt strategically, like funding a business, buying income-generating assets, or leveraging real estate, can catapult your net worth. As Naval Ravikant says, learn to sell and learn to build. If you can do both, you will be unstoppable. And sometimes, building requires smart borrowing. Many people avoid all debt out of fear, missing out on life-changing opportunities. Others misuse it chasing lifestyle over legacy and get trapped in the EMI cycle. The key? Use debt for creation, not consumption. Before borrowing, ask, will this debt grow my future income or shrink my peace of mind? Don't fear debt, fear ignorance. Bad debt destroys, good debt builds. Think of it like fire. It can burn your house down or cook your next meal. It depends on how you use it. Number 6, just buy real estate. It always goes up. You've heard the hype. Just buy property, bro. It always goes up. But here's the truth. The internet rarely talks about. Real estate isn't a golden ticket. It's a gamble when done blindly. People often overpay for overpriced properties in slow-growth areas, hoping prices will magically skyrocket. But guess what? Real estate is location-driven, timing-sensitive, and cash flow dependent. And if you're buying just for bragging rights, not rental income or smart appreciation, you're not investing, you're just speculating with bricks. Do your homework. Real estate isn't a jackpot. It's a long game and only smart players win. Buying property isn't always progress. It can be a financial trap if you don't know the game. Think of it like buying a fancy car without checking the engine. It might look great, but it could break down halfway. So don't just buy land. Buy logic, location, and leverage. Lie number 6, making money online is easy. The easy online income narrative has exploded. From affiliate marketing to crypto flipping, the dream is sold fast, but rarely fulfilled. The truth is, online income is possible, but it demands skill, strategy, and stamina. Most people chase money, not mastery. They assume the internet will do the heavy lifting while they chill on the beach. Reality? Online success requires more discipline than a 9-to-5 build a digital skill first. Copywriting, SEO, data analytics, content strategy. Once you're valuable, platforms can amplify your income. Until then, it's like giving a microphone to someone with nothing to say. Focus on building digital leverage. Learn before you launch. Lie number 7, do what you love and money will follow. James loved painting, so when he lost his job, he followed the internet's advice. Turn your passion into profit. He opened a gallery, but no one came. Rent piled up. Passion faded under pressure. While pursuing passion is beautiful, monetizing it is a different game. The truth? Money doesn't follow love. It follows value. Market demand is the missing variable most people forget. Most people think loving a thing is enough. But without solving problems or meeting demand, it's not a business. It's a hobby. Learn to love problems. Turn curiosity into competence. Passion grows when you get good at something useful. Harvard Business Review found people who focused on problem solving were more likely to turn passions into income. And finally, we arrive at the most subtle, most toxic money lie of them all. It sounds spiritual, it sounds noble, but it's keeping millions broke. Number 8, money isn't that important. This lie keeps people from pursuing financial growth. They associate money with greed, not with freedom, service, or security. People view money emotionally, not functionally. They believe that caring about wealth means compromising values. Redefine wealth. See it as a tool to protect, provide, and serve. Build so you can give. Grow so you can live. Ask yourself, if I had more money, who else's life could I change? T. Harv Eker in Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. Rich people believe I create my life. Poor people believe life happens to me. These 8 lies may be viral, but they're not valuable. If you believed even one of them, you're not alone, and you're not stuck. Because today, you saw through the illusion. If you're ready to financial strategies and design real freedom, subscribe to You Are Wealthy, like and share it to inspire someone else's journey. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing wealth.